When you open it, you get this little pamphlet. It's at the top of the box. Activate your kit online and gather your DNA. Simple and easy. So when we open it up, do not skip this step. Go to ancestrydna.com and activate an account, which I have not done. Alright, so apparently I need to go do that. And then enter the 15-digit activation code from the collection tube. Okay, I can do that. There's a place down at the bottom there to write it down. Gather the DNA. I won't bore you with reading that, but it says do not eat, drink, or smoke or chew gum for 30 minutes before giving your saliva sample. And it says your test will be completed in 6 to 8 weeks. They give you a collection bag to put your saliva sample in. Here is your kit they give you. And there is what is inside. So that's pretty interesting. So it looks like there is a tube right there, and I am assuming you probably spit into that tube. And last but not least, they give you a little prepackaged box for UPS to put everything in and drop in the mail. Alright, the next thing you do is you actually spit in this little funnel, and there's a little line, and you fill it up with your saliva to that little line. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to spare you that on video, okay? Alright, once you have the tube to the black wavy line there where it says to fill it with your saliva, they give you a top, and this top has some blue fluid in it. So you put the top on and you screw that top. Alright, the top is screwed on, and now it says to shake the tube for at least 5 seconds and to let this solution mix with your saliva. It has mixed, so everything is blue there, and now you put it into your collection bag and send it off.